Hello guys, welcome to Poweroad. So today I will introduce our residential home energy storage products for you guys and just let you know that how powerful the Poweroad HESS will be. So let's get started. First of all, let's see our four products. We have for low voltage and high voltage, and each voltage level will have a stacking version and rack version. So for Italy, it's very important to have a CI 021 certificates for our systems. And in this case, all batteries are compatible with the inverters and certified by the CI 021. This is the most basic version of our home energy storage systems. It is 5 kilowatt hour include and based on 51.2 voltage, the low voltage systems. Maximum can power 15 pieces to build up a very big systems, provide a high capacity for your house. For the stacking version, it is upgraded from the rack version, and inside is a quick connector. You can see, compared with the rack version, you cannot see any cables in this stacking products. When people install these batteries, only things they need to do is stack every modules on and then connect the battery to the inverters. Then everything get done. It will be a very safe and efficiency installation way compared to our traditional basic version. Alright, then let's go to the high voltage. To work with our high voltage batteries, we have our three-phase high voltage inverters, which can group with our high voltage batteries as modularization solutions. You can choose from 10 to 20 kilowatts of inverters and choose from 10 to 40 kilowatt hour of batteries, and then as a module. Then you can parallel 15 modules on the AC bus bar. It's very easy to extend to a very big systems. Maximum is 300 kilowatts and 600 kilowatt hour. Is a huge system, but mostly, let's say below 100 kilowatt hour will be a very efficiency solution to use the high voltage compared to most of the commercial cabinets solutions. Similar to the low voltage stack, our high voltage stack is also cableless internally. See there's no cable at the side, so it's cableless and easy to install by the installers. And another design is we make the stacking version of high voltage thinner. So you can see the size of the battery is very thin, and you can very closely to stick on the wall and take a very little space of your house.